Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's black. Under the hood's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. Standard on the GLE are front and rear LED lights. We've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels, a saddle brown interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back here, we've got our GLE 350 badging, 4MATIC, a trailer hitch, power liftgate, fresh set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. Coming along back here, we've got plenty of space in the rear. You've got blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system. This one does come with the Premium 2 package, which comes with keyless go, navigation, lane tracking package, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. This one also has a burl walnut wood trim, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in here, we've also got a wood grain steering wheel with leather, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start the vehicle up. This one also has navigation, a surround view backup camera, our hard keys, heated seats, dual climate controls, our command center, and our dynamic selects. This vehicle has 36,620 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this vehicle, check out feldmanimports.com.